Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Avery all-purpose labels. Now, I'm a guy that likes to label just about everything. I want to not be ridiculous with it or just overly do it, but I like to have things really organized in my home and in my place of business, just because I really like to know where all my stuff is without having to dig through everything and find my stuff. So if I am moving, or if I am just storing things in boxes in like an attic or in a storage unit somewhere, I need to have it neatly labeled with whatever's inside. And these have come in extremely handy for this. Now, there are pretty basic labels. They're white, so it's easily customizable, for whatever you're going to stick them on. White goes with just about everything. And you could either write on these, or you can print something on them, or anything. And they stick very, very well. In this pack, you get 128 stickers, and each sticker is 1 inch by 2.75 inches. So that's plenty of space, I think, for whatever you're trying to label. You can use these for boxes, folders, even individual binders, or just about anything. You can even use them on paint cans or any kind of storage things that you want to leave a note saying that this is for that, or that is for this, or whatever. It's just completely multi-purpose. You can use these for just about any kind of labeling that you may need. It's really good that you use these for keeping things organized. And the adhesive on the back is very, very sticky. If you put this on something and let it dry for, like say overnight, the next day it's gonna be really hard to get it off. Yeah, it doesn't need to be left to dry, but I'm just saying that is when it's going to be at its maximum dryness and stickiness, its permanentness on wherever you have it stuck to. Now, it pretty much sticks to just about any surface that you would need, and as long as the surface, make sure when you're sticking these on anything, just make sure that the surface that you're using is clean and not dusty or anything like that, because then you're going to interfere with its stickiness. And just if you have to, you don't need to, it don't have to be perfect, but just to make sure that it's going to stick as well as you need it to, just either dust it or wipe it wherever you're going to stick. Unless you're sticking this on another thing that's paper, like cardboard or something like that, you wouldn't need to do that. It binds to paper like nothing else. It's great. Now, I've been using these kind of labels for a pretty long time now. Probably going on 3 years, and I've been known to use other brand name of labels, but I think Avery, the multi-use labels here, is the ones that I buy the most of. Like I said, I label everything and I like to keep things organized, so I keep these handy. I don't want to ever look up and say, oh, I'm out of labels, because I don't like to just write on cardboard or write on the actual surface of whatever I'm keeping organized, like right on the box. I don't like doing that. I like on actual label, and it just looks neater that way and more organized and somewhat more, I guess you can use the word professional. I know some people don't think about professionalism in their home, but it just is nice to have a system that you use, periodically, just to keep things organized. And these labels do that. It's very, very good to use these to organize your everything. You know, it's just good, and I'll continue to use them. Yeah. Okay, we've been talking about the Avery all-purpose labels. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.